You're posting every day, but your social media is not growing. No followers, no engagement, no results. Let me show you exactly what you're doing wrong and how to fix it fast. At Penate Productions, we help creators and businesses grow using smart social media strategies, not guesswork. Mistake number one, posting without a strategy. Most people just post randomly and hope something works. But growth comes from consistency and purpose. You need a content plan with clear pillars. These include educating your audience, entertaining them, and promoting your services effectively. Without this balance, your growth will be stagnant. Comment plan if you don't have a content strategy. Second mistake, ignoring your audience. Social media is not just posting, it's conversation. If you don't reply, engage, or interact, your growth will stop. The algorithm rewards active communication. When you reply to comments, you signal that your content is valuable. Engagement leads directly to more visibility. Make it a habit to connect with your community every day. When was the last time you replied to every comment? Third mistake, and your content is boring. People have short attention spans in today's fast world. You need fast edits, captions, and strong hooks. Every second counts to keep the viewer watching. Hooks should grab attention in the first 3 seconds. Using subtitles makes your content accessible and engaging. Keep the visuals dynamic and constantly moving. Don't let your audience scroll away. Here's the secret. Most creators ignore this simple tip. Ask people to engage directly with your posts. A clear call to action can change everything. Try saying, comment your biggest struggle, or save this for later to increase your reach. Share this with a friend is another powerful way to grow. These small asks lead to big results over time. If you want to grow your social media the right way, follow Penate Productions for real strategies that actually work. We are here to help you scale your brand. Now tell me in the comments, what's your biggest struggle right now?